Hi, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is the benefits of wearing ebony wood in the form of a bracelet or in the form of a garland. What Shastra says about ebony wood, who all should wear ebony wood, and what all you can expect after wearing the ebony wood. What is the benefits of wearing the ebony wood? So in this video, I'm going to discuss the same in brief. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So first, let's talk about what Shastra says about the ebony wood and where it is written, in which text it is written, how beneficial is the ebony wood. As per the Padma Puran and the Garuna Puran says, ebony wood is the best for the mantra japa of the deities, that is goddess Kali and god Bhairav. If a person is going through Rahu ki Mahadasha or Shani ki Mahadasha, due to which you face lot of ups and down in your life, you get lot of setbacks and problems in your life, then also it is recommended you to wear ebony wood mala in the form of a garland or in the form of a bracelet. The different type of text says different benefits of this particular wood. If you are wearing this wood on the regular basis in your Rahu ki Mahadasha or Shani ki Mahadasha, or Rahu ki Antardasha or Shani ki Antardasha, and you are going through lot of ups and downs in your life, then this is going to help you out to remove the malefic effect of Rahu and Shani also. Not only this, if you're wearing the ebony wood mala or the garland in the form of a bracelet or in the form of a ring or in the form of a garland on the regular basis, this has such a power. This particular wood has a power to remove the negative energies from the life. If you're prone to the evil effect, or if you have or absorb negative energies very easily, or if you feel like that you have a black magic at your home, or you are very much prone of black magic, somebody is doing black magic on you, due to which you are facing ups and downs in your life, your business is not working, you're facing problem related to the money, relationship, or the health issue, then also it is recommended for you to wear the ebony wood on the regular basis. If ebony wood is touching your skin, it is going to give you the confidence, it is going to give you the power. Not only this particular wood has a quality to remove the ill effect and the negative effect of Shani and Rahu also in your life. So if you are going through Shani ki Mahadasha, Rahu ki Antardasha, or Rahu ki Mahadasha, and this particular Mahadasha and Antardasha doesn't seems like a so beneficial for you, you're facing lot of setbacks, problem, ill effects in your life, then also it is recommended for you to wear the ebony wood. Or you can keep the ebony wood always in your pocket, or try to wear it in the form of a garland or in the form of the bracelet. This is a power to overcome the ill effect of the negative energies or the ill effect of the Rahu and Shani also in your life. Not only this, if you're chanting the mantra of goddess Kali or god Bhairav with the ebony mala, this is going to help you out to remove the past life karmic sin from your life. Not only this, if you are chanting the mantra of goddess Kali or god Bhairav with ebony mala, then this is going to give you the tremendous benefits, and the maximum, and the benefits will be the maximum as compared to if you're chanting with any other garland. How to energize this ebony wood? Make sure that whenever you're wearing any crystal, any gemstone, any wood, or any type of muddy you're wearing, you have to make sure that you are energizing and you're activating it with the right mantras. Then only that crystal, that gemstone, or any wood have a power to give you the maximum benefit. So if you're wearing the ebony wood, what is the right way, and what is the right way of energizing the ebony wood is that you have to first keep the ebony wood in the Ganga Jal, dip the ebony wood in the Ganga Jal, and then you have to chant the mantra. Like, what is the purpose of you wearing the ebony wood? Like, if you're going through Rahu ki Mahadasha, due to which you are facing a lot of ups and downs in your life, things are not going very great in your life, in that case you have to dip the same in the Ganga Jal. You have to chant the mantra of Rahu at least 1000 times, holding it and dipping it in the Ganga Jal. This is going to help activate it. What is your purpose of wearing this? And then start wearing it. If you want to wear this to protect you against any type of negative energies, all the ill effect, then it is recommended for you to chant the mantra of goddess Kali, and you have to wear it while setting a right intention. If you're wearing this to overcome the ill effect of Shani in your life, then you have to dip the same in the Ganga Jal, and you have to chant the mantra of Shani at least 1008 times After that, set an intention, what is your purpose of wearing this, and then you have to restart, and then you have to start wearing this. So this particular wood has a tremendous benefits, and it has been written in our Shastra, the text I have also already referred in the starting of the video. If you're looking to order the energized ebony wood mala or the bracelet, you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you. Thank you.